Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. Today I'm sharing with you a look using the e.l.f. Retro Paradise palette. Bet you thought that was over because summer's over, but no, this palette can work for fall as well. It's so beautiful. So I created this orange and brown look with an ombre lip. It's very fun and festive. I've primed my lids with the Believe Beauty eyeshadow primer, and I have powder to catch fallout. And also we are picking up that e.l.f. Retro Paradise palette. I'm picking up Caliente, and I may have said that wrong. Apologies. But I am placing that on a fluffy blending brush or crease brush, and I'm applying that in the crease. And I am going to build this up. This is a very pigmented shade, but like I always say, it's better to add little at a time, like salt and pepper when you're cooking, so you don't ruin it right away. So the more that you take and layer and build up, the better it blends out, because I'm blending kind of as I go in a sense, and just building it up, layering it. I always do my eyeshadow like this. So we'll just build it up. And the next shade is Cacao, and I'm taking that as a matte coffee brown, or well, cocoa bean. Now I'm placing that on a smaller crease brush, almost like pencil-like, and I'm going to be placing that in the outer corner, and I'm going to build this up. Another shade in this palette that is absolutely pigmented and gorgeous, and both of these shades are matte that I've already used, and I'm going to be taking that up into the orange crease shade and blending it in with the orange. And I'm kind of tapping around the edges, also that helps to blend it out as well, and between the two. And now I'm going between the crease lines of both shades with the orange blending brush. Now this is Paraiso, and I am picking that up on the eyeshadow brush, and then I'm going to spritz it with setting spray just to wet it, to foil it, and it adheres better to the lid and also appears more pigmented and shimmery. And I am applying that to the lid, as you see here. And there's nothing to this look. I feel like it really looks like a glam look, but I felt like it was fairly easy to achieve this look. I'm also going to be picking up that same shade and placing it in the inner corner. And you're also going to see that I placed the orange shade on the lower lash line as well. I'm just going to re-add shade that was taken away in the blending process, and I'm going to continue to add shade and blend. So this is what you're seeing here. And I have a bunch of beginner videos, you guys. I'm going to link that playlist, so if you're looking for some more simpler kind of looks maybe, so check that out. Now this shade was called Canvas, and it's just a nude highlighter kind of shade, and I'm using that to blend down the edges of the orange crease, and I'm using the blending brush to, with no additional product, to feather in the orange crease shade with the brow bone. And these eyeshadows blend out so nicely. This is the first e.l.f. eyeshadow besides one of the bite size that I've owned in years, and I'm so impressed with this palette. So I'm wiping away the powder and the fallout that I had, because there was shimmery fallout from that Paraiso shadow. Like I said, I'm placing this orange shade on the lower lash line, and then you'll see me go in with my eyeliner, and it's going to be Believe Beauty's Long Lasting Eyeliner, and I'm going to smudge that in my lower lashes. So you'll see that in a minute. I'm just working on that eyeliner. And I love this look for fall. I think it was very perfect and fitting for fall. I just really felt like doing something orange and brown, and this is what we come up with. Very happy with it. And I'm going to blend some more orange shadow over top of that eyeliner. Now this is Clinique's High Impact Mascara, and I'm going to do a couple coats of that. I didn't feel like wearing lashes today, even though I do think this look warranted lashes, but I just didn't feel like doing them. Now for lips, this is from Broadway True Matte Lipstick, and it's the brown one. And I'm showing you my nails because I just think they are so cute. And the Cherry Cherie Nude Liquid Lipstick. So I just applied those, did a little bit of an ombre, and the look is finished. Here we are, ready to go out the door for fall. I just love how this look turned out. Perfect for fall. So I hope you guys enjoyed it too. We'll try it out for yourselves. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for a product list as well as other additional links, and stay tuned for more videos.